Shandong Hengci Technology Co., Limited is a comprehensive enterprise specializing in the research and development and production of magnetic separation and iron removal equipment. The company holds numerous invention patents and utility model patents and has been recognized as a high-tech enterprise of Shandong Province, China. It has passed the National Safety Standards Center certification and ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification and is qualified to produce explosion-proof equipment. The company possesses strong innovation and R&D capabilities, equipped with advanced processing equipment and a modern laboratory. It has also established close cooperative relationships with several domestic research institutions and universities, providing successful and efficient iron removal solutions for various industries. Its products are sold in more than 60 countries and regions worldwide, and its influence in the international magnetic equipment market is rapidly growing.